Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Today, we will travel back in time to learn the art of Chinese handmade papermaking. It is one of the rare Chinese traditions that has been preserved for over 1,000 years. This paper is crafted in Jinxiang County, China, because of the generation of specific types of wood and grass in the region. This paper is commonly used for calligraphy, paintings, and other important documents. The tradition is still in practice today, showing its rich history and passion to take it forward to future generations.
宣纸的制作工艺呢比较复杂，从我们晒干上晾晒8到10个月的时间，把这个原材料的自然漂白、自然氧化后，我们要进行一个旋剪。旋剪完了之后呢，我们将进行这个对皮的工序。
The good quality raw materials selected are pounded or beaten over 3,000 times to make the paper pulp. Pounding releases the fibers into a smooth and well-connected surface. This is also responsible for the strength and ductility it gathers.
对皮呢，主要这个原材料是在弹皮啊，因为它的韧性比较强。我们师傅最起码要将其对打3000次左右，目的就是为了将原材料当中的纤维给打碎。
Then they're cut into small pieces and melted in the pool of water to create a thin slurry. Next, a bamboo frame carefully balanced by people at each end is lowered into the pool to collect the rough paper pulp. This stage is the most challenging of the whole papermaking process, as it requires perfect coordination and balance to control, following it through the traditional way of papermaking. Particularly those on a large scale involves a considerable number of people. Once the pulp has been through the required soaking and agitation to let the fiber interlock, the well-balanced frame is gently taken out of the water. Carefully raised, large paper pulp is slowly moved and then placed. This gentle handling is important to help avoid tearing the paper pulp. Given the size and weight of the frame and the necessity of precise coordination, it normally involves the efforts of many people. Each person plays a definitive role in handling and moving the frame so that the paper pulp is uniformly distributed and collected on the frame's surface. These traditional handcrafts require more human effort and are very difficult to replicate with automated or semi-automated machinery. The excess water is removed before they are allowed to dry. After drying, the paper sheets need to be separated by peeling off the curtains that hold them. It is not surprising that when one piece touches the other, more than one piece falls off. Even experienced people find it difficult at times to separate each piece perfectly. Producing a bigger paper pulp comes with its own challenges. The increased size and weight of the paper sheets makes separations from drying curtains more difficult than shown here. This small piece of paper requires another step, where they are attached to a wall to dry out evenly. This happens with higher temperature heating. The production rate is much faster, with each very trained professional managing hundreds of such pieces in a day. While managing larger pieces may require more effort and attention to detail, the process is similar for small-scale production, with adjustments for the small paper scaled based on size and weight. Finally, the Xuan paper pieces produced are checked for their best quality and uniformity. If found successful, the lot is considered ready for use or distribution after its packaging. Large paper pulp applications are not only limited to printing, but are also used for packaging because of their strength and good texture. With that, the journey of Xuan paper ends, but the art story continues. Xuan papermaking is not only an example of the preservation of cultural heritage, but also an inspiration for innovations in paper production. It is a perfect example of a bridge between traditions and contemporary needs. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.